Hi everyone, hope you're having a good day. And well, if you click the video, you most likely know that it's Sniper Elite 5. And I thought that I should show a place that I go to unlock parts for the main rifles, the sniper rifles. Even if it is sort of vanilla rifles that came with the game or DLC rifles. Doesn't matter, but I thought I'd show where I go to unlock parts. Marksman's barrels, carbine barrels, that kind of stuff. So, we are on the third mission. Some of you might recognize it. We're on the third mission, Spy Academy. In the starting area. You start back here and then you run up here, slide it down this hill, and then you run off and sort of do the mission. So you're in the starting area. You don't have to, it is really quick to get to this point. And I mean, it's sniper rifles. You're unlocking parts for sniper rifles. You will probably, for most unlocks, need distance. Being here, you'll have, I think for most shots, over 300 meters. There are a few down on the sand that's less than 200. But everything on the island...
Staff car. Must be one of the meeting attendees. Might be able to find some information here.
But, yeah, but most shots, here we have 130. But yeah, as I said, a few less than 200s on the sand. But as soon as you get onto the island, you will be able to have 350 meters right there at the sort of island end of the bridge. So you will have around 300, a little over 300 meters. The Winchester that I have now, I have the Winchester 1885 that needed a certain amount of kills for the carbine barrel and a certain amount of, I think, headshots for the marksman's barrel. And it was really quick and easy to get here.
VIP staff car. Could rig it. Leave a nice surprise for him.
It's really easy to get 200 plus meters here. Because of the distances. And then it's just to pick the rifle of choice, and you'll be able to get all the... And because you're in the starting area, just restart the mission when you've killed everyone in sight, and then you can just take and, you know, restart the mission, 3 seconds to run up to here, and just rinse and repeat until you've unlocked the accessory that you want. No enemies, so I have a suppressor on my rifle. If it's your first playthrough, you don't have a suppressor, you have not unlocked it yet. Do what I do now. Use the binoculars to scout the place out. Find the enemy snipers and just take out the enemy snipers. The possible threats that can shoot back at you. You'll have to wait for this guy. This guy comes up on this tower after a while, so you have to wait for him. But yeah, it's You can be here, just rinse and repeat, restart when you neutralized everyone or run out of ammo, if that happens, and then
Ich doch gestern
just,
keinen
you
Schnaps
can
getrunken.
unlock the part that you want really early in the campaign, really early in the mission, and
Hoffentlich versucht bald
yeah,
mal jemand was. Ich bin dieses
that's what I
Rumsitzen
wanted to
leid.
show. So the closest one, I mean, you can run up to them and then it's really close, but it's 130-ish meters from the closest to 500 meters to that one. That one that walks here will be 500-ish, 490, 510, 510 meters, 490, something like that, around 500 meters. What is that? 550, 600 yards for those of you that uses Imperial. So it's like between 550 and 600 yards to him, the furthest target. But yeah, that's what I wanted to show. And as I said, I have the Winchester 1885 here. It's a DLC gun with the Marksman's barrel. I've unlocked it already. And I did it here because it's the easiest place to do that. I do this, I move the crosshair, but with E and Q. To sort of zero the sight for the distance I'm shooting at. What was that? 512 meters. So, and yeah, as I said, if you don't have a suppressor yet, use the binoculars, find the snipers. There's one sniper in the tower. There's one sniper by this sort of ruined tower. There is usually one sniper on this end, over here somewhere. Oh yeah, there might also be a sniper. Let's see, where is that one? There is a sniper somewhere. There we go. There is. There's the sniper. There's a sniper sort of also here, at the sort of bridgehead area. There's sort of one more sniper. So if you take the snipers out first with your non-suppressed rifle, then there is really no one that can shoot back at you. They might in time sort of try to get in close so they can shoot at you, but yeah, it's just take out the biggest threat, the snipers, and then it's just pick out the targets you can see, the ones you can find, and then in time you will get the ranged kills you need to unlock the part, the rifle's part accessory that you want, if that part needs distance kills to unlock. And I guess that's it. About 10-minute video, a little longer than I planned, but yeah, I hope you enjoyed. Third mission, Spy Academy, right at the start of the mission, so it's really quick and simple to get to here. You don't have to run through the mission to get here, you start here. So it's really quick, really easy to get into position and start reining in the points you need to unlock the part you want. So, hope you enjoyed. Hope you liked it. Goodbye.